So Mohammed, where are you from?
I'm from Uganda. I can speak 7 languages. Bano batuore singa bano ati mbona ava Pakistan. Sasa wa jamaa yangu nilikuwa nasema watu kama hawa msiwaza.
Hey guys, this is Kareem again. Hope everybody's fine. Today I've got a very special guest with me and his name is Mohammed, and the things you'll get to know about him will surprise you.
My full name is Mohammed Rahim.
So Mohammed, where are you from?
I'm from Uganda. I'm a Ugandan.
Oh, you're Ugandan?
Yes.
Okay, but you don't look like a Ugandan. What's the story?
Because I was born here in Uganda.
Oh, you're born in Uganda. How old are you?
I am 25 years of age.
So 25 years. Uganda.
25 years of age, I'm in Uganda. I've never gone to India or anywhere, just here in Uganda.
So your ancestors are from India, your parents are from India?
My grandmother, grandfather, all they're from India.
Okay.
They came settled here in East Africa.
Oh wow.
Gave birth to my parents. That's how the story began.
My God, your grandparents came here and your parents were born here?
Even my parents are born here.
Whoa, okay.
My mother, my father, all they have Ugandan citizenship.
So that means you know Lugandan, I guess.
Of course, I know Luganda. Most of the people see me on TikTok, huh?
Okay.
That's my platform. I'm always making comedy on TikToks.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to make people laugh.
Okay.
And my videos are going viral. They're shared on Facebook.
Guys, you need to follow him on TikTok.
I can speak 7 languages in Uganda.
Oh, alright.
I can speak English, Swahili, Luganda, Lusoga, Nyankole, and some bit of Arabic.
Oh, okay.
And some bit of French.
Wow. And Hindi as well, I guess,
yes,
right?
Oh, sorry, I had forgotten Hindi, but...
Yeah, of course, Hindi as well.
Mostly Swahili is spoken in Kenya and Tanzania. Okay. Lusoga is the main language of Jinja. Do you know Jinja district?
Yes, I know Jinja district.
Jinja, Iganga,
okay.
Bugiri. Actually, I was born in Jinja.
Oh, wow, another interesting fact.
I came to Kampala when I was in primary 1. 2 years. It took me 2 years just to learn Luganda.
I wish I could speak like you.
You can learn, huh?
Alright.
My aim on TikTok is to teach people like you,
thank you so much.
To start speaking Luganda. Schooling system is okay, but it depends on the school,
Okay.
Like here we have local government schools, we have private schools. But what I think, private schools are better, but it may be expensive for some other people.
Okay.
But that doesn't make the local government schools bad. It's also good, because I myself went to a local government school.
What Mohammed is trying to say is that even the government schools are up to the mark. What reactions do you get from people from our continent?
They get surprised.
They get surprised.
They ask me, how comes you have not gone back to your country up to now? I tell them I'm used to here because now this is my homeland. This is my country now. I cannot go to where I'm not used to. Uganda's climate is good. I'm used to this.
True.
When you go to India or Pakistan, the weather is too hot, and I cannot tolerate that.
Okay.
So I'm used to this condition of Uganda. The Uganda is a very hospitable country, so there's no problem. You guys can come. Like most of the Ugandans, they're good people. They're not bad.
Okay.
I myself, I see the experience. Time I was young, no one has ever treated me badly.
Right.
No one has ever abused me.
Wow.
Everyone talks to me nicely. So you guys don't fear. You can come and visit. Uganda is a very good place with many tourist attractions. Like you can see Jinja, Mashon Falls. We have a lot of national parks.
Wow.
If Uganda was a bad country, you wouldn't see all these white tourists coming in Uganda.
True.
Uganda hosts almost 90% of tourists from all the world.
Amazing thing.
Because this is part of Africa. Abachari bange bano batourists nga bano ati mbona ava Pakistan. Musikalenga mba welcoming. Ababerenga bajja Uganda bajinyumirwe. Temba sosola kati aina YouTube channel no mumufollowing era nange mumufollowing ku TikTok. Nze chemmanyi mummanyi ku TikTok makoera kufanya videos museka. So bantu nga bano mu welcoming Uganda yaffe fenna si ya muntu omuyeka. Bana Uganda bebakyasinza okubeera abantu balungi mu nsi yonna era ekyo kyo nkyebaza nnyo. Sasa wa jamaa yangu nilikuwa nasema watu kama hawa msiwadharau. Mbaki mnawakaribisha tu kwa hii nchi yetu Uganda. Sorry. Hii nchi iko na urafiki zaidi mkiwatisha mnarudi kwenu lini? Hawa watu watawachia kuja na hawa watu wanatupatia pesa kwenye tourist section. Si mnaona? Hapa kwenye Uganda tuko na wazungu zaidi. Ndio hao wanakuja na tupatia pesa. So msionyeshe ubaguzi, msionyeshe madharau. Na huyu jamaa yuko na YouTube channel, mwende mfollow. Na mimi pia niko na TikTok channel. Nadhani mnaoniona kwa TikTok. Nafanya comedy videos. So, jamaa huyu ni jamaa mzuri. So, mfollow. Okay guys, now my aim on TikTok is to make guys like this one. Mr. Kareem is new on TikTok. I want to teach him to start speaking Luganda. Not only Mr. Kareem, but even other people. I'm seeing many Indians on TikTok. Like we have like 2 to 3 Indians who speak Luganda
Oh,
on
right,
TikTok.
okay.
I think you know the another guy I brought to TikTok. His
Yeah.
name is Abi.
Oh, right, yeah, I've seen him, yeah.
You have seen him, huh? I brought him slowly. So you guys should also learn, because Ugandans get happy, yeah, when you use their language.
Of course, we love Ugandans
Of
anyway.
course,
Yeah.
that's what made me famous on TikTok.
Right, okay.
Speaking Luganda, because I'm in Uganda, it's Ugandans watching me. That's Ugandan
True,
audience, huh?
true.
So you guys also should try to use their music in TikTok.
Yeah, I got
lip sync their music, even if you don't know.
Yeah, I got
Try
you.
slowly. You're going to get to learn everything.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's my aim.
Okay, I'm gonna leave Mohammed's link in the description for the TikTok. He's doing his amazing job, to be very honest, and I was really impressed and surprised when I watched
you
his
so
videos. And thank you, Mohammed, for giving us time on our channel.
Thank you for inviting me here. I'm
You're
so
welcome.
happy.
I'm feeling happy and proud as well. Right, guys, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is